Here is a Lumio AI review. Lumio AI is a custom AI workers for businesses. You can experience what AI can do for your business. So, if you have a business and you want this to be organized, then Lumio AI is the right one for you because it can automate complete processes on your products. There is also a customer interaction, business operation, as well as team support and technical tasks. So this is just like creating a company on your own but on the AI version. This is also trusted by businesses like yours. As you can see on the Lumio AI website, there are a lot of good reviews from it, so you don't have to worry to purchase its premium account since it is already trusted by so many entrepreneurs out there. On the Lumio AI website itself, it has an AI assistant where you can go ahead and ask your frequently asked questions and they will answer it to you very detailed. So if you're into business and you want it to be very organized, then you can install or purchase Lumio AI.